So you know what I just did? I just made him into a left guard. That's all I did. And he's actually better overall now. By 1. He was a 72 at center, he's a 73 at left guard. Which I'm gladly will take. And there's the defense this year. Let's go. Sim to mid-season. Oh wait, I'm simming mid-season, yo. It will be a few minutes. So, I'm hoping we're doing better. If we're not doing too good, if we're not at least 6 wins, I'm probably going to trade DK at the deadline. At trade deadline. We have 4 wins. Let's see who I need to negotiate. Porter, Queen, Bishop, Washington, Nick, Herbert, Jones, Harmon. Oh, this year's gonna stink. Ooh. Let me upgrade players. And then I'll give you a mid-season look at them too. Let's see here. Manage team. Here's what we look like now. Morale is up. I mean, he's still normal there, which stinks, but that's what I drafted, so I can't help that. We got DK, Pat Frymuth as our 4th. Yeah, 4th receiver, and our starting tight end. Defense, nothing's changed, but I'm going to be trying. Going to be looking at some extra defense. Ooh. Honestly, I think I am just going to put put him up. See what I can get. Ooh. Now that's no. Ooh. No. Ooh. Free safety. I'm just looking right now, seeing what the best overall defensive player is I can get. And age-wise, honestly, I think I like the D-tackle with salary cap. Shit. Salary cap. I don't have whatever issues salary cap ain't on. Well, Washington, I'm not gonna want to sign, so. Ooh, even better T-tackle. 24, 85 overall, that's tempting. See, 84 overall, 23, 85 overall, 24. With 80 all free safety. I'll look at cap hits too. 26. I like this one. I am 80K in the hole, but manage team, adjust lineup. Just got myself a new D tackle. Is actually my starter now. Nope. No, I'm not meaning to hit that. We are 4-3. Can we make it at least 8-9 or 9-8 and make the playoffs? The thumb. Just smashed my thumb. Ooh, I just smashed my thumb. Alright, let's see. 8 and 9 missed the playoffs. But so did the Ravens. Only one, and Browns too. So, well, we did make some progress. My quarterback's a 76 overall now too. He's now a 77 overall. Let's see, 79 overall quarterback. That 81 overall is just morale boost. So at the end of our year, we got a technically 81 quarterback. Not really though. Oh, we had an injury. Our starting running back got hurt. We signed Juju Smith-Schuster, Jackson Smith Enigma, JSN, Juju's back for us and everything. But let's sim to off season because we ain't doing nothing this year in the playoffs. But there's always next year. Always next year, y'all. I'll let them decide the draft class. I don't really care about draft class. Auto upgrade everybody. Advance next week to fill staff stage. Fill staff and negotiate contracts. So I got 153 mil. Ooh, that's part of why they sent them at me. Let's give you a tier of player friendly and bump that up just a little bit. There we go. Porter, I'm gonna need you to come back, bro. No, I'm more player friendly. Alright, Porter's back. Queen. Do I want Queen back? He's asking for 51 mil total. Nah, man. Juju, I want you to retire as a Steeler. I want him to retire as a Pittsburgh Steeler. He was one of the Steelers, and then everybody else can walk. Yeah, everyone can walk. Ooh, wait. No, I can't do trades. Okay. Stage 1. Alright, here we go. Signed free agents. Ooh! Now, yes, he's a little older, but he would be, for the next 7 years, a beautiful, well, probably not 7, he'll probably retire as us, but he will be a very, very, very nice player to get. Same with Tyler Smith. Oh my. This would help my O-line out a bunch. So I am just tired of this, everyone. I'm tired of the Saints. I'm tired of the Saints. I cannot have that. Very player friendly, then. Ooh. Very player friendly, then put that up. Good. I'm just trying to outbid the Saints right now. Yes, I outbidded the Saints and it's called. I'm on top of that. Center, I'm not worried about. Now let's go age youngest. So there's 70. Ooh, that's tempting right there. Tua Papalo, 81 overall. Honestly, I just want to go overall. There's Queen. Signed him back if I wanted, but I just didn't walk, so I ain't wanting him. Dang. Oh. I know I already have a running back. I'm bringing home some great. See, I need another good one, and he's also gonna be a motivator for. This is one of our old Steelers as well. And we got all three of them. Look at that. Nice. We got all three available. Oh, wow. So don't need halfback. Don't need any. Ooh, Ryan Kelly, but he's old. I don't want that old. So why is it like all the older people? You know what? I feel bad for trading him. I'll bring him back if he wants to. He might just get traded again too. And that'll be my last target if he signs. Yep, got him. Alright. Now let's see here. Trade center. I don't even know what my picks are. So before I do anything, I want to look at draft picks. Alright, I really want a first round pick. So let's see. I'm in kitty cat. Let's see. What do you want for it? What Fraser 5? I'll give you Fraser 4. Alright, there we go. Alright. Let's see if I can get this. Let's see here how this team's gonna look. I got 34 mil. Which is not a lot of cap space. It's not a lot. Advance my user pick. Alright, let's see here. So there's around 2, 3, and well, I'm not too worried about quarterbacks. Right now, I think first pick. I want physicals. No, combine. I want the strongest bench player. A strong center. There we go. And he is hidden dev too. Nice. And make selection. Ooh, do I go for honestly? That is a more speed. 4-3. Sign him. Oh wait. Oh, and let me pause that. Oh well, I'm gonna advance in the draft and see how my draft did. See how we did a drafting. Draft recap. Okay, let's go overall. So I picked up the 73. They picked up another halfback. 73. A 70 left end. Left end. 69 overall tight end. 68 right edge. 68 Sam linebacker. 67, not to be a joke, overall quarterback that I picked up. 63 overall D tackle and a 56 bum from the 6th round. We did not have a good draft. Alright. Let's see here. Let's put everyone in position. There we go. Wow. The old line's really starting to look nice. Baldwin. Look at this defense though. It honestly is starting to look scary. I think I'm really gonna be wanting to trade for Mike. Hold on, trade's open? Yeah. I'm gonna be wanting to trade for Mike linebacker. Just a decent one, not okay. Just want to trade for a decent Mike. Decent young Mike. I can no, not that one. I mean 74 volt. What do you want? Well, okay. You can have Hall. There we go. I got my decent. Got my Mike linebacker now. I got 2 of my cats in here. Oh, let me go trade block. I meant to go to depth chart. No. Manage, adjust lineup. Alright. It's my defense that needs some updates. Really, it's my quarterbacks. I got like one good corner, really. Joey Porter. And he's older. So I'm gonna have to get a couple good corners at some point. Corners and free safety, I would say. But that's let's see. I got 22 mil. We look at corners. See, I don't want old either. That's my issue. But the Bears are all old. 26. Ooh. Okay. 24. Ooh. I saw the all Moss and I immediately thought, why is Randy Moss on the Broncos? Ooh, rookie 22. Alright, fine. I mean, new free safety. Definitely not from the Browns. What a nice, decent, young free safety. Like, decent. Not super overpowered, but decent. Like, like him. So not even if ooh. Oh wow. What do you need? Wait. Driving my not worry about it. Ooh, Cowboys. You need a halfback. Well, I got a nice young Ball Allen. And you lost 60 million in the hole. Ooh. Yeah, I had to take I'm just trying to find someone not in the hole right now. But it's like everybody's Patriots and awesome art. Anyone who's not in the hole don't have a very good free safety option. Everyone who's in the hole has a nice free safety. See, you have leads on one thing, one thing. I'm losing him. Alright, there, I'm gonna get out of trade center. I'm gonna get out of the trades quick because otherwise I'm not gonna be doing too good. My season's probably gonna be screwed. But there we go. And then I want him right there as number 2. Alright. Let's advance the week to the next week. I'm gonna do more of my quarterback. I'm gonna do training camp with my quarterback. Same way I did last time. So I'm gonna pause video for a second so I can do these. Be back in a sec. Yo. Probably 5-10 minutes for me. Bye. Alright, y'all. I just got gold on the quarterback thing. And I got 1 skill point, 2,500 experience. There you go. Oh, shoot. Sorry, y'all, for dropping ya. But I just got that. I'm going to do the rushing quarters now as well. Just so I can get that over with. Just so I can do that as well. Because these... But I'll let you watch this one. Even though it's the same one I've done, I do a lot. When I need quarterback and running back, I always do the pocket pass and this one. And those are about the only 2 training camps I have completely mastered. Like, I can pretty much do them with my eyes closed if I needed. I mean, not the pocket passer because you do have projectiles going at you. Every second, it feels. Every few seconds. So that's not fun. Spin move. But other than that, it's fun. My blocker didn't even block. The guy was supposed to block. So I was going to stiff arm my way into the end zone. Block him. So I can get through here. I don't know, I hit gold, yo. And I'll show you the other one I do a lot too. I didn't do it last season because I still don't really have a good one, but I have one I want to focus on. Like getting up there. I got silver on that one. Which is, let's see what I get. I get 1 skill point in 2,000. And the other one is trench long battles. Now there is someone I want to do this one with. I'm gonna find them right here. His name is Barrett Carter, Mike. The one I just traded for, from the Bengals. And I was pushed out of bounds immediately. This is why I don't really like doing this. Ooh. This one too much. Because these O-linemen do push you out of bounds. My gosh, I can't freaking tackle them. There we go. But the O-linemen will push you out of bounds if you're not careful. And these swinging bats things will push you out too. I am silver on that one. I'm not redoing that because I stepped out of bounds, so that's my own fault. Well, I got pushed out of bounds, but we won't count it. Alright, there we go. Ooh, it's got some sharp knee pain. Alright, let's see who wants a position. That party will get it. I don't know who you are, Garcia. Oh, he's a backup will. He's backup will linebacker. Sim the mid-season again. See how well we're doing. I don't have anyone really on chopping blocks, so hopefully we're doing good. Wow. Hopefully we're going to be doing good. We are 4-3 this time around. Same as last year. No one's on chopping block, don't worry. But my quarterback has some upgrades he wants. So he's going to become a 81 overall quarterback. And then I'll give you a look at the team real fast. Here's what the team looks like. I don't know who he is either. He's a rookie quarterback. So I'm gonna have to get another receiver. Cause there's a rookie quarterback in there who is a star. He is going up. He's going to be the #1 cornerback. Try to get him as much reps as I can. And I'm going to want him at slot. And everything. And this is my practice squad, but we don't care about those bums. Those are the bums that think they're going to play and think they can just play, and they turn out they're not that good, so I put them on the practice. So they get sent over to practice and get beat every day by my starters and backups. When I my backups practice. Yeah, not too nice to them, but hey. We are in the playoffs, second seed, 12-5. Now, I'm only going to play the moments. This is year 3, I believe? 3 or 4. Hold on. There's a thing. Give me a sec. It's one of these. Rayshawn Walton. I have no idea who he is. I'm just gonna play the moments. Can we win our first playoff game in years? Or are we gonna be like the real life Pittsburgh Steelers and choke in the playoffs? The same blitz. We'll guess one up the middle. I was not right. Uh-oh. Dang it, he got in. No, he did it. Oh my. It's gonna be... No. Come on, stuff him. We gotta stuff him, boys. Stuff him. Stuffed him. Another one. Another QB sneak. QB sneak. QB sneak. 1-1-1. Never mind. We stuffed them. At the 1. We stuffed them. My defense has held up. Held the Baltimore Ravens at the 1-yard line. Oh my gosh. Now we got a chance to score here. Najee Harris with his old jersey and everything. Uh-oh, we have an injury. Who's injured? One of our players just got hurt. Now I'm just playing the moments. This is not full game, this is just the moments. So Najee Harris scores. Uh-oh, I gotta play defense. It all comes out of this. It's a pass! Carter! Sacked! Lamar! Down he goes! Fumble! I don't like how many more moments I'm getting. In this. I'm gonna have to skip a few moments. Oh! Najee! Najee Harris! Uh-oh, we have another injury. Fitzpatrick is just gonna take it out. Harris, Najee! Najee! He's knocking him around! And Najee Harris! Oh, no way! Oh, it was a third down. Third down. Can I make it? I got him the first down with Najee Harris. Uh-oh. The game's in jeopardy. It's 7-14. Pittsburgh's winning. Najee Harris. He's running. He can't be stopped. He's running. Oh, I'm not going to be able to throw yet. I don't think this quarterback can throw. I'm going to try it, though. One more time. Oh, and he catches. Fuck, I'm going to QB draw this. And he It's a QB straw! Oh my! Touchdown! It's a game over! They scored, they missed a point. And we get the ball! There's no way! There's no way they can win it, right? Oh, they definitely... We just gotta keep pushing the pressure down. Najee Harris. And there is an injury. One of the Baltimore Ravens is unfortunately injured, which is never a good sign for them, as Najee gets pushed out at the 3. Najee Harris. He wants to seal the game. Can he do it? No, he can't. Not that play at least. Can he seal it? On the edge. That should be the end. It should be over. It's over. Picked off. The Steelers have won the wild card round. Holy crap. The Steel Nation. Now the question is, who are we going to have to face up in Austin? Are we going... And I was going to send week by week. Oh, hold on, the controller disconnected. Advance.